The Parco Agricolo Sud Milano is a regional park classified as a green belt and agricultural park. This already gives an indication of the environmental features of the territory, which is mainly utilized for the cultivation of rice, corn, barley, forage and poplars, coexisting alongside numerous urbanized areas. It is possible to witness the park's natural ecosystem, characterized by small areas of lowland, hygrophilous woodland and wetlands scattered across the agricultural landscape. The park presents the typical territorial structure of a protected rural-urban fringe. For this reason, it is home to the distinctive fauna found in cultivated areas, whose only chance for survival is bound to large-scale agricultural activity and, in particular, the use of modern and eco-friendly agricultural techniques. The widespread irrigation system, sustaining one of the most prosperous agricultural areas of the planet, is one of the main features of the park. Aside from fontanili, typical springs of the area, rogge, medium-sized canals derived from pre-existing waterways, and canals, there are 3 important streams and numerous small lakes originating from quarrying activities. The proximity of wetlands, almost all artificial in origin, encourages the presence of many water birds. The survival of many woodland species is ensured thanks to the long hedges and lines of trees extending for kilometers and the numerous small-sized, well-preserved woodland areas. Biodiversity in the outskirts is constantly under threat due to the impact of man, the development of urban areas, and the proliferation of motorways and railways. The challenge is to preserve and increase biodiversity by safeguarding the continuity between natural and semi-natural areas, preventing their fragmentation and segregation. The park took charge of maintaining such continuity between the various areas of environmental interest through numerous ecological restoration programs. The Green Trail, Bosco in Città, Parco delle Cave, is an important example of ecological restoration within an urban context. The numerous lakes in the park originated from old abandoned quarries and have become important landmarks throughout the years for all avifauna and bird watchers. It is fascinating to walk along the southern side of the park, where the Lambro Meridionale River flows, and discover islands, riparian woods, and oxbow lakes full of fauna of extraordinary environmental relevance. The Lambro River becomes significantly important in its course towards the southeast, especially in the San Donato area, where ecological restoration activities have recently taken place. The La Chiarella Oasis, now listed as a site of community importance, and the artificial lake of Basilio, key to overwintering water birds, are also in the southern area of the park. Another vast natural area is in the western side of the park, around the La Chiarella Oasis, shelter to many animal and plant species. The eastern side of the park also sees countryside areas rich with fontanili and woodland strips, still in the process of important ecological restoration activities, such as the Muzzetta's Springs, the nearby Tenuta di Trenzanesio, and the Caringione area of Peschiera Borromeo. More urban-related areas within the park's perimeter are the Idroscalo, the Forlanini Park, and the Treno Park, all being long recognized as important recreational, leisure and sports-related areas for the people of Milan.